Alright, we're back here at the shop at MECHMAN Alternators. We're working on these 4 alternators for Steve Mead. These are custom built to his specifications. We've finished the machining process to deepen the bore on the drive ends. That's going to allow us to fit the thicker stator stack in there. It's going to give us a much better bottom end on that than what you would normally see from these units. It's a custom made stack, custom made stator. I'm going to show you the difference here between a conventional 270 amp unit, the thickness of the stator stack here, versus the thickness on these stacks. As you can see, they're almost twice as thick. This is a mock-up to ensure that the stator windings clear without any interference. Another thing we're using is our custom solid copper rectifier assembly. This is an OEM rectifier assembly. It's 30 amp diodes in it, relatively thin aluminum sink plates and small connections. As you can see, our rectifier assembly here is much beefier, solid copper, thicker, massive output stud, and 70 amp diodes instead of 30 amp diodes, so you have much more amperage capability. I went ahead and removed all of the paint from all of the ground sources and also pressed in this extra long 8mm grounding stud. It's going to make it easier for him to run all of his ground runs as well. We're going to go ahead and finish putting together these SRE covers with the rectifiers and regulators, and then hopefully tomorrow our stators will be here and we'll get them together and run them on the dyno. Stay tuned.